Good evening, guys. We're just gonna start right now. I can see that we only have 5 people in the meeting. Okay, we'll just start. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. We're just gonna start right now. I can see that we only have 5 people in the meeting. Okay, sorry about that. As I said, there's only 5 people in the meeting, so we're just gonna start. First of all, I'd like to apologize for the wrong link I sent earlier, but we're going to sort all that out right now. Okay, so the task that you had to do today was okay. Today is day 4, so you only had to do see how many tasks you had. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so you had only 6 tasks, and the one that you had to submit, there are just 2: the female Facebook account and the offline promotion of Triple M. Okay, so I did a presentation on those 2 tasks, so we're just gonna go through it so that you can see what exactly was expected from you. Okay, so the Facebook account, it's very easy. You just create the new Facebook account, and then I'll just go through on how to copy the correct link. Okay, so that was all for that one. And guys, some of you are still submitting incorrect link when it comes to Facebook. Please, if your Facebook task has been marked incorrect, please make sure that you go back and do or resubmit your work. Okay, so this is my Facebook account. You just click on Dombe Corner. This is my name, so you'll be clicking on your name and then you copy the link. Here is the link. It has my name at the end of it, so this is the correct link that you have to copy. Okay, well, okay, I think we are done with this one, and now we are going to move into offline promotion of Triple M. Okay. Okay, I did send a correct link for offline promotion plan, a sample of it. Okay, so if you haven't done the task, please do it now. And then if you used the Google Doc, it's fine. I will mark it correct because I wasn't able to send the correct link. Okay, so I'll just mark that correct, and then we just show you how to do the offline promotion. Paste the link here. Okay, remember I said this is my sample. So if you're just gonna copy this and submit it, then it means you copied my work, okay? And then that will be marked incorrect, okay? So the first thing that you have to do here, you have to make a copy of this document. Remember, this is mine. So you just click on File. Okay, let me just check, guys. Can you hear me? Guys, please send 2+sign. I'm sorry, I forgot to share my screen. Please send 2+signs if you can see my screen and if you can also hear me. +sign. Can't hear you. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? It's coming. Hello, can you hear me? Please send 2+signs if you can hear me. Can anyone see my screen? guys? Fred, please check for me if you can see my screen. Okay, I think you can now hear me. Okay, I'm just gonna start afresh because I wasn't sharing my screen at first. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let me just start with the offline presentation first. Okay. Okay, this is the link that I shared with you. It's an offline promotion, my offline promotion plan. So you had to click on file, make a copy, and then you can either write your name or just offline promotion plan. Promotion. Okay, if you click on make a copy, then that's when you'd be able to edit everything on this document. Okay, so right now you have to, okay, you'll be doing the offline promotion plan. You'll have to choose a town or a village that you'll be doing the offline promotion plan for, and do it for, okay, Devon is fine for me. And then I'll go to Google and check the population. Okay, so I'll just say population in Devon 2018. Check here. Okay, I'll just copy. Okay, this is 2011. Devon population. Okay, here is it. Okay, this is 2017. Okay, so I'll just copy this to my, okay, just paste this here. Okay, so this is Devon population. Okay, and then the venue is Devon, and then I'll have to find the Google map. Okay, so I have to find Devon on Google Maps. So I'll just click on this link, then type okay, let me specify which place in Devon. I'll just use La Vita Hotel. Okay, and then I'll search La Vita Hotel here. Vita Hotel Devon. Okay, after you have searched your village or your town, you just click on the link box and then you copy the link and you paste it. You remove this one first and then you paste the one that you copied from Google. Okay, and then the second thing, the venue. Please make sure that before you click on this link, you have the photos for your venue on your device. Okay, so let me just check if I do have them on my device. Okay, I'll have to get a new one. Come back. You can search them on the internet, or you can just take a photo and save it on your device. Okay, I'll just say images. And remember, we said we want the outside building. So this is my outside building. So I'm just going to save this photo. Save it out. And then let me look for the inside. Here is the inside. Save it and say in. Okay. And then now I'm going back to my document. Okay, and then you click on this link. We're looking for the venue. It means I'll upload the outside building here. Search for it. Out. Then here is it. Choose, and then you upload your picture on this site, and then they'll give you a link. Then this link, you copy this link to your document. Remove this one, and then you paste the one that you copied from the print screen site. Okay, and then I'm gonna click here again. We're looking for the photo of the hall for presentation. Okay, we'll upload the inside of the, okay, here is it. And then you copy the link to your document. Then you place it here. Then you are done with the photos, okay? And then speaker, here you'll put your name, and then expected attendees, you'll just estimate how many people you'll have in your presentation, and then the date, say 07, okay, 2807. And then here you can write the names of guides that will be with you during the presentation, and the equipment that you'll be using. For example, for my one, I'll be using the projector and the sound system. Okay, so you can name the equipment that you'll be using in your presentation. Let me edit this. Change it to Lavita. Okay, and then here you'll just name the purpose of the offline presentation, and then you do your budget. Okay, so for hall, I can just say they'll charge me. Okay, this is just my estimation. Okay, so you just go. This is 300 USD, and then I'll go to my USD to Naira. Okay, we are using Naira, so just say, where is it? Now we have to check how many Nairas. Okay, how much is 300 USD in Nairas? Okay, so this is 94. Okay, just copy this into my document. So guys, this is how you do this. You make sure that your numbers, they do balance. Okay, and then for leaflets, I can say it's $10 maybe. Then I go back here and check $10. Then I copy. So this is how you make sure that your figures are correct. Okay, then delete, place the link. Okay, and then you do for each and every one of them. Okay, and then after doing that, you'll have to total. Okay, let's total this. Okay, it's 310, and we'll also total the site. Okay, this site have a problem, so please make sure that you can even use the manual. Okay, like this. You can add them manually, but make sure that 310 equals to okay, let me just check out this plus this also. Okay, this column here really have a problem. Okay, guys, you can just do this manually and then you insert the correct amount here, but please do check the site also. That's how much is 310. For my case, I'll check how much is $310 in nairas. Okay, so you have to check that as well. And then you say prepared by, you type your name, email address, you type your email address, and the Triple M guide, you type your name as well, and then you put your Bitcoin address. Okay, so please make sure that all these details you put them in your document. Okay, and then when you have to submit, you click on share and click on get a shareable link and copy the link, then you submit that link. So this is how you were supposed to do your offline promotion plan. If you did it incorrectly, you can still do it. It takes less than 10 minutes, so you can still go and redo it and make sure that everything is correct. Okay, so this is how, even if you use the Google Doc, please make sure that it's neat. Yeah, please do make sure that everything is neat. Okay, so let me just check for questions on our, please, I discovered all my data. Okay, all my data were marked except Triple M ideology. Okay, Gabriel, the reason why your ideology wasn't marked, maybe you copied the incorrect link, but let me just check for you so that you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, I have started marking some of the tasks, and for those of you who did your task wrong, I just left them, but I'll be attending them as soon as possible. And that was Gabriel. I'm looking at the wrong task. 3. Many tasks were marked for the Triple M ideology. So, Gabriel, just want to show you what happens when the link is incorrect. Okay, here is Gabriel. If I, okay, then that means, okay, master. Okay, I'll remark your link, Gabriel. Okay, let's just look at this link here. Okay, if you're going to submit a link that has channel, that includes the word channel, that means your link is incorrect. I think people have resubmitted because I saw some people have had incorrect links. So I really think that people have resubmitted. Let me check on. check on current financial word order. Okay, you can see, okay, here he also resubmitted, but he firstly submitted a link with this is the channel link, so this was incorrect, but then he resubmitted the correct link. So guys, please make sure there's this one as well. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. You can't send me a link that has a playlist. Let me just click on it so that you'll see that it's wrong. You see, it take me to the YouTube channel playlist. Okay, so this is how I check when the link is incorrect. This one as well is also incorrect. See, so it shouldn't be like this. When I click into your link, let me click on one link here. It should take me straight into your video. Okay, you see, it should be like this. So this is how I do the marking. Okay, so guys, I'll continue marking all your tasks. Please make sure that you do the corrections and I'll continue marking. Okay, that means our mentor hasn't attended to them all. I did mark, guys, the videos. If I'll just remark them right now because when I was marking them, most of them had incorrect links, so I'll just remark them now. My yesterday task and today still half green. Okay, guys, I think everyone is worried about their task being not marked. Your task will all be marked before the end of today. Okay, so please do not worry about that. Please, all my been returned to me as if I have not done anything. Okay, Moses, I'm not sure what happened. Please, can you just log out and log in again? Maybe it is a website glitch. I'm not sure what happened to you, to your task. Okay, please make sure that you log out and log in again, and then we'll take it from there. Please, ma'am, help check my ideology video so I copied the right link. Okay, guys, I will do the remarking, so please do not worry about that. Are there any other questions before I do an introduction for tomorrow's task? Are there any other questions? Okay, while I wait for your questions, I'll just do the introduction. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll have our meeting very early because we'll be doing business games. Okay. You'll be doing it, but do it on the website. We can also do it on both sides, but make sure that you join Skype group because you have to and they're gonna play games that won't be marked. Okay, I repeat, if you're not going to partake on business games, your final task won't be marked until you partake. Okay, you'll be grouped in different groups. How to use WhatsApp, and then you have to do it on Skype, and you'll have to be online for about at least 3 hours doing the task as a group. Okay, so we'll have different groups. And then with circle numbers, you'll have the circle number. You'll see when you log in tomorrow that the website will ask you to join the circle. So you just click on join circle, then that's where you'll know which circle you belong to. Okay, so we'll meet at 7 side 8 8 p.m. Nigeria time. Okay, let me just see. Okay, we'll meet at okay guys, I'll let you know what time we'll meet tomorrow. Remember, we'll have a very short meeting. Okay, what else I want you to do as soon as you join your circle, please choose 2 reps for your circle. So I need 2 people for each circle that will represent the whole circle, because on Monday we'll be doing our business game presentation. For that, we'll be using GoToMeeting. That's when you'll be doing your presentation for the business games that you'll be doing tomorrow and Saturday. So please make sure that you choose 2 people that you trust. They'll be able to compile a business game for the group, and also to present at the business game. Because if they fail to do a presentation and they fail to compile the business game document, then the whole circle will fail. So if you're not going to submit your business game document, the whole circle will fail. So please guys, make sure there's 2 people. They must have a good network. They should have a laptop, because they will, when compiling the document, I think it's much easy when you're using a laptop. So guys, you'll have to choose those 2 people. I want those named before the end of tomorrow. Okay, so that's the only task that you have to for tomorrow. Just choose the 2 reps for each circle, and then you group yourself on Skype. As I said, that we are going to use Skype. You can group yourself on Skype, but then the website will also have a chat for the groups. So it's up to you whether to use the group chat for the Triple M School website, or you just create your own on Skype. But you'll be answering questions. You'll be sharing ideas on questions that I'll post on Skype. So I'm just going to post questions on the batch group for the whole school, and then you'll copy those questions into your groups, as in circle groups. Okay, so that's how we'll be doing this. I hope I am clear. If there are any questions, please, or if you don't understand anything about the business games, please type your questions on the chat so that I can make everything clear now. Okay. Do I need to upload the video in my channel? Yes, guys, all videos, they must be on your YouTube channel before submitting. So please make sure that you upload your videos on your channel first, then you copy the link from your channel to submission. Okay. How many videos do I require for this post? The link to for this post, the link to the videos on your complete assignment below. Okay, I'm not sure which task you are talking about, but the only task that you have to share many videos is the offline, is the, okay, let me just check which task is it. It's a video about Triple M and the current financial world order. So that's the only task that has to have at least 2 or 3 videos. Okay, so that is the only task. Do we know the group we belong to? You'll know tomorrow the circle you belong to. Remember, I said when you log in, you'll be asked to join the circle. So what you have to do, just click on join circle, and then the website will choose a circle for you. Okay, so please make sure that you click on this join circle so that you know which circle you belong to. Guys, I'm gonna, okay, people are failing because of business game. People, they take business game very lightly, and it's very important. So please guys, to avoid failing this course, please make sure that you are here and you do participate. Okay, on the business game document, I want all reps to also include the names of people who participated. So that's how that's the list I'll use to mark the last task. Okay, so on your document, please include the name of people who participated. So That's where I'll know who didn't and who did. Okay. Are there any questions before we close our meeting? Any questions? Okay. If there are questions, I think I'll just answer them on our chat. But for now, I think we are done. We are going to meet tomorrow, and I'll let you know what time we are meeting tomorrow. But it will be early. Maybe we will be using GoToMeeting, but I will let you know that as well. Okay, guys, thank you so much for attending the meeting, and good night.